Okay, so my name is Lata. I'm currently in Bangalore. I'm working as a business analyst for 5 years now. Um, yeah.
And how is your how is your financial education been, or do you have any financial knowledge?
So I always felt I lacked it, which is why I signed up for your session. And I wanted to understand it from scratch. And I didn't want to be dependent on others, to understand other things, because I was not really getting the basics right. And nobody has the patience to sit and explain you things, but they are telling they're investing and doing things. And then when I ask for suggestions, they say it's easy, you can get started, but nobody is there to actually sit with you and help. So I didn't want to feel helpless, and I came across the finance box on Instagram. And it was mentioned like it was a Zoom session and one-to-one session. So that I thought that would be helpful rather than a recorded session, because I have seen pages where they have recorded sessions. So I thought again that might not be very helpful for me, because there won't be that interaction and there won't be a person to answer my questions, because I'm just getting started and I would want to understand and try to do things by myself, because I've already been working for 5 years now, and I feel it's too. I'm already late to invest, and nowadays people start investing very early, even when they are studying, right? So I felt really I did not have that. I was not financially literate. I really lacked it, so I wanted to get started somewhere. So I thought this was the right place to get started.
So you did our class on the ultimate guide for beginners for mutual funds. How did you find it? Was it easy? Was it hard? What did you like? What did you not like?
It was really easy to understand, all the examples that you have used, like starting with the fruits or the fruit basket, to understand what a unit is, and what exactly is a mutual fund, the fund manager and how everyone is investing, and how the manager collects and then invests, and how even if one of the items they're investing goes slow, but there are still other items, so I might not have a complete loss as well. So those things where I was able to catch, and even the ELS is right. So I've asked people for help. I mean, to help me, like my cousin brothers itself. They tell, oh, it's easy, you can get started, but nobody is really helping me. So that's really frustrating. So today you showed me, like, at least what is that, money control, and you showed me where, and you showed me how to choose as well, the CRISIL rank and the rating and the year wise. So all those things were really helpful, and I'm actually able to catch it now, and at least like I'm better than. I mean, before the session where I was there, I was not there. I mean, definitely I have learned about mutual funds. So I feel pretty good. I feel like I made the right investment with the finance box, to get started with you.